Hi children, welcome to EduCup. Today we are with a new video in grade 7 science. We are discussing unit 12 biological processes. I have divided this lesson into two parts. Now we are discussing the first one. Our subtopic is organizational levels of life. The brick wall is made up of numerous bricks. In the same manner, a beehive is composed of numerous hexagonal units. Now you can see how the wall made and the beehive made. The living body contains large number of small building units. This basic building unit is called as a cell. Cell is the structural unit of living organisms. Structural unit of plant is referred to as plant cell and structural unit of animal is referred as to animal cell. You can see animal cell in first figure and plant cell in second figure. Our first activity in this lesson is to observe the cells in lower epidermis of beetle leaf and cheek cells. Under microscope, you can see the lower epidermis of plant leaf in first figure. The second figure shows you the microscopic view of stained human cheek cells. Some of the organisms are represented by a single cell. Therefore, they show simple organization. Some of the unicellular organisms I have given you in this figure. First one, amoeba, euglena and paramecia under the microscope. Our second activity in this lesson is to identify unicellular organisms by observing sample of water taken from freshwater pond and air is stagnated in water. The first figure shows you the microscopic view of sample of water taken from freshwater pond. This is the microscopic view of air stagnated water. Our next topic is the organizational levels in living body. Except unicellular organisms, all other organisms are made up of few cells or large number of cells. They are called multicellular organisms. I have given you the level of organization from simple level, cell to complex level organism. Cell, then tissues, by tissues it's organs, systems and organisms. Let's discuss about those things. First one is cell. The cell is the basic structural and functional unit of the life. Cell is the basic and structural and functional unit of the life. Cell is the building unit of living organisms and the simple function unit too. A tissue is a group of cells organized for specific functions. As the third activity in this lesson, we need permanent slides of muscle tissue and lower epidermis of plant leaf. These are the permanent slides and second figure shows you how the permanent slides are stored. The first figure shows you the microscopic view of muscle tissue. Second figure shows you lower epidermis of plant leaf. Let's see the features of tissues. Contain same shaped cells or different shaped cells. Perform a common function. Now you can see the cardiac muscle tissue. In second, the blood tissue. Third one, lower epidermal tissue of the plant leaf. Next one is organ. A collection of different tissues work together to perform a specific function or functions is called an organ. Let's see, the human stomach is an organ and it is made up of different types of tissues. Let's see what are the types of tissues present in human stomach. Blood tissue, nerve tissue, muscle tissues are there. As the fourth practical in this lesson, we need balsam tree and colored water. They have taken here red color. Put the red dye into the water vessel and prepare a red color solution. Put the balsam plant into the vessel in such a way that root system is submerged. When the stem becomes red, take the thin section of the stem and observe the cross section through the light microscope. This is the cross section of stem of balsam tree under microscope. The tissue which transport water and mineral, it is called xylem tissue. Phloem tissue located outside the xylem tissue transport food in the plant body. Now you can see different types of tissues in plant stem. Tissues which transport water, that's xylem tissue. Pith, tissues which transport food, for phloem tissue. As a fifth practical, we have to observe a cross-section of plant leaf using permanent slide, and you have to study the different types of tissues in there. This is the figure which you can see under the microscope when you are observing the cross-section of plant leaf. Next, system. A group of organs that perform a special function or functions is called the system. This figure shows you the digestive system of man. The digestive system is contains with different organs: large intestine, small intestine, mouth, esophagus, liver and stomach. As a sixth practical, you have to uproot a Pupamania plant and observe the different organs and systems of it. See, you can see the organs and systems in the plant body. They have divided into two systems, shoot system and root system. Shoot system is contain leaves, stems, flowers and fruits. Root system is contain taproot and lateral roots. There are two main systems in the plant body. They are root system and shoot system. When we are calling about organism, organism is all systems of the body joined together and form the body of organism. This is the organ system, the organisms of human body. You can see the systems of plant, root systems and shoot system get together, it's a plant. This is we are discussing as the first part of the biological processes lesson. Our next video is systems of human body. Thank you.